I asked the guys what? To march properly damn in a column damn, 3-meter distance damn. But the guys didn't understand anything.
Ukrainian forces struck a Russian training ground, killing allegedly around 30 Russian soldiers. But first, operators from the 14th Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Regiment identified and then struck a concentration of Russian infantry at a training ground in the Kherson direction. Result: around 30 Russians eliminated with cluster munitions. Pilots of the 5th Assault Brigade delivered precise strikes, taking out Russian equipment and troops. On the Kramatorsk front, Russians lost a Nona self-propelled gun, a Bukhanka vehicle, and several infantrymen. The Kramatorsk front has been a focal point in the ongoing conflict between Ukrainian and Russian forces. In late February 2025, Russia intensified its offensive in this region, with Ukraine's 24th Mechanized Brigade steadfastly defending positions in areas like Chasiv Yar. Despite relentless assaults, Russian troops have struggled to establish stable crossings over strategic canals, underscoring the resilience of Ukrainian defenses. The city of Kramatorsk itself has endured significant hardships, with residents and soldiers expressing exhaustion after 3 years of continuous conflict. Despite these challenges, Ukrainian forces remain resolute, vowing to continue their fight even in the face of adversity. Russians are conducting very important combat training, marching in place in mud.
Vietnam, well damn, the guys need me because damn, I asked the guys what? To march properly damn in a column damn, 3-meter distance damn. But the guys didn't understand anything. When I drove by damn, there was some kind of party damn, a disco at the training ground. What the hell are you standing there for damn? Align properly damn and move closer here. What, idiots or what the hell? Everyone stand, you're chilling there, damn it. Wolf barking. What's wrong with your leg? Okay, step out and stand for now. Come out here. So what were we talking about? In the end, I was driving and thinking and I came up with an awesome exercise for training our damn column. In this trench, no one can overtake us, damn it. So we all turn left. Host and march in place, damn it. 1 2 1 2. We are trampling grapevines. Damn it, I won't eat, but damn guys, I'm completely dedicated to my thing. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Russian radicals are far from enthusiastic about Trump's words on peace in Ukraine. What are you even happy about? They ask. Ukraine is part of the Russian world. How can we just hand it over to Washington? We built everything there. Obviously, this is Trump-level delusion, because in reality, these people built absolutely nothing in Ukraine. At best, they put up a shed in their own backyard. Still, watching their cognitive dissonance as their patron, Putin, is literally pulled out of the abyss by the leader of another gang is highly amusing. They genuinely have no idea what to do with all this. Two majors correctly note that some in our media are delighted and without any reflection rejoicing that Zelensky is about to sign an agreement under which the United States will receive the entire infrastructure of the former Ukrainian SSR for free. What are you happy about? Ukraine is a part of historical Russia. Everything that was done and built there was done and built by the hands and money of Russian people. The only legal successor can only be the Russian people themselves, and not a gang of Dnipropetrovsk oligarchs or their fellow countrymen from Washington. Ukraine generally existed legally only as long as there was a treaty of friendship and cooperation with Russia. When this treaty was no more, Ukraine turned into a national separatist project on our historical lands, and everything that is there can belong only and exclusively to Russia. It's strange to be happy that Trump is bending Kyiv over and wants to privatize it entirely for 3 kopecks. In a fit of Trumpophilia, we should not spill out the main thing: our own destiny, civilizations and meanings, and the firm understanding that Kyiv was and should again become Russian. From St. Petersburg to the Urals, Russians were startled by sirens as emergency alert systems were tested across the entire territory of Russia. The Ministry of Emergency Situations of the aggressor country stated that everything is going according to plan, and that they were merely assessing the functionality of all elements in case of a state of emergency of natural or man-made origin.
Проводится проверка готовности системы оповещения населения. Просьба сохранять спокойствие.
Внимание, внимание! Включить сирены. Подать единый предупредительный сигнал. Внимание всем!
Просьба сохранять спокойствие. Внимание всем! Проводится проверка.
Оповещение населения. Просьба сохранять спокойствие. Системы оповещения населения. Просьба сохранять спокойствие. Проводится проверка готовности системы оповещения населения. Просьба сохранять спокойствие. Внимание всем.
President of Finland, Alexander Stubb, suggests giving Ukraine a de facto NATO membership if Russia attacks again.
Because you said at the very beginning, amongst everything, we also need an American backstop for any peace and any peace enforcement. Do you think you'll be able to convince them that that is something that they need to do? And I'm not talking about US boots on the ground, but all the other things.
Yeah, I hope we can. I mean, there's so many ways in which that can be done. Let me just give one example, which has been put forward by Senator Lindsey Graham from the United States, because right now it seems to be difficult for Ukraine to become a NATO member anytime soon, because the United States and Germany are quite skeptical about that. So why don't we instead give them a de facto NATO membership, which basically means that when the negotiations end and we have a peace settlement, a part of it all is to say that if Russia ever breaks that settlement or breaks the ceasefire, attacks Ukraine again, Ukraine becomes automatically a member of NATO. I think that is a strong enough backstop.
In his address, President Trump called people of Greenland to determine your own future and said the United States are going to get it one way or the other.
We also have a message tonight for the incredible people of Greenland. We strongly support your right to determine your own future. And if you choose, we welcome you into the United States of America. We need Greenland for national security and even international security, and we're working with everybody involved to try and get it. But we need it really for international world security. And I think we're going to get it. One way or the other, we're going to get it.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.